Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about how you can participate in Byepix ICO by using your MetaMask account, and also will provide you details about Byepix recent updates and Byepix token listing updates. At the end of the video, you will learn more about why Byepix is the safest haven for crypto investors. So without any delay, let's get into it. To participate in Byepix ICO, you need to open their website and click on Join Byepix ICO Sale. Then you would be referred to ICO registration. So to create an account, enter your username, enter your email address, enter password, select your country, enter phone number, select your gender, enter date of birth, and then make sure to click on ICO Terms and click on Sign Up. After sign up, connect your Web 3.0 wallet with Byepix ICO dashboard. So click on Add Wallet MetaMask and then approve this connection by clicking on Connect. MetaMask wallet is successfully added. Before sign in, make sure that you are on Binance Smart Chain Network. If not, then you can add by clicking here. After all this, click on Buy Tokens. Now you have three options to buy Byepix token with different vesting period of 30, 90, and 180 days, and obviously prices will be different for all vesting time. You can also calculate the number of tokens you will get on your investment. So finally, to buy their token, click on Byepix, and then enter the amount you want to buy, and then click on Pay with MetaMask, and confirm this transaction from your MetaMask account. That's all the procedure to participate in ICO. You can verify this transaction in wallet option. That's all procedure to participate in Byepix. There are only few days left to end ICO sale. Through this way, you can confirm your allocation in Byepix ICO. At this moment, Byepix team are negotiating with L-Bank for listing, which is one of the top crypto exchange in the world. They have confirmed listing on L-Bank and it will go live on 10 November. Airdrop will be online on L-Bank 2 days before the listing. After all this, Byepix will definitely go for Binance and for top 5 exchange listing when there is enough market cap accumulation. Upcoming updates. Byepix Portal Beta version 2.0 upgrade is going to allow you to observe the silver, gold land, and village area in more details. For further details, you can visit their website, link available in description. Byepix has 7 platform, 20 plus utilities, and 2 protocols, and one of the P2E protocol will provide a service such as the ability to convert every game on Earth to P2E, and compatible games will be added to the Byepix game platform. Let's talk about why major crypto investment and news sites call Byepix ICO the safest investment opportunity, and why thousands of investors participate and join Byepix. I will share 2 of the many unique points about Byepix that make it a safe, brilliant, and guaranteed successful project. First, maximum profit program. As you all know, circulating supply plays a big role in defining the token price of a project. If the circulating supply of a token is under control, their price will skyrocket. This will be exactly the mechanism of Byepix token. Only 30K per day Byepix token will be released in the first 30 days. After the first week of Byepix token listing, there will be only 100K to 120K Byepix tokens in circulation instead of 5 million. It means within the next 20 days after the listing, the price will definitely be up to $20 and increase upwards. Second, ICO staking. Byepix ICO, instead of freezing investor fund, give them an option that they can stake their tokens up to 90% APY rate and make even more profit by increasing the amount of Byepix tokens. With Byepix MPP, your money does not sleep, it works. That's all for today. I provide you complete details about their project. Their website and social media links are also available in the description. For more latest videos related to cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.